Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. I'm super excited. I finally got the battery back. I'm ready to put it in. I got all my buddies here. We're going to throw this thing in. It's going to take a little bit. It's going to be the same as when I took it out. It's just going to be in reversal. So there's nothing really extra to show on this. So I'm going to go ahead and throw everything in there. And I'm curious to see what it, how many miles are on, all that kind of thing. I have no idea. So looking forward to it, guys. Let me go throw this thing in. So we got it all hooked back up again. Everything is connected. We're going to turn the key, see what's going on here, and we'll see if it's got power. But this is the first time that I'm turning it on, so let's see what happens. Oh, got a red light, got something. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, you got lights. Got dashboard.
Nice. All right, so we're at 0%. And it says proceed to complete charge from empty to full in the line. Okay, so I got to bring it home and I'm going to plug it into my chargers. Right now it has 0 power. ABS light is on. I got to get this thing powered up and see, but right now at least we're powered up enough, so I should be able to plug it in and take it from there. But so far, let's see. Yeah, all right. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go charge it up. All right, guys, I'm on my way home. A little disappointed. I wanted to hear it at least run and spin, but I got to go home and charge it. Everything comes on, the red lights blink in, and we should be good to go. I'm going to go plug it in my charger at the house, let it charge overnight. We'll see how it is tomorrow. Let's get it done. All right, we're charging. That's good. Let me see if I can find out how many miles it has before it, let's see how I do this. Mode to skip. I have no idea how to do any of this stuff, so. All right, guys, so after having no look at the house on the standard 220 charger, the slow charger, I am at the local Harley-Davidson dealer. Thank you, Flying High Harley. And they have a charge point here. It's a fast charger. So I hooked this one up. All right, so it was a huge relief that that thing started charged up. It's sitting at 75% right now. So now I can put it in my garage again and plug it back into the slow charger, and hopefully to recognize it now. I think it might have been just too low for that slow charger to see it. I don't know, but I'm going to do that and then put it in a. There's a state you can put it in where it's going to be sitting for a while, so I'm going to put it in that, leave the charger on it because I'm still waiting for parts to come in, and I still got to do the body work and paint and all that kind of stuff, so I still got several things to do. So I'm going to put it in that, let it kind of sit, and I'll check it in a week or so and make sure that everything is. All right, guys, so we're back at the house, and I went ahead and plugged it into the charger, and I let it sit, and I knew as soon as I plugged it in what was going on. Everything was working fine. So now, since it had that DC charger and it had some juice in it, now all of a sudden at home it charged up fine. So we're at 96%. I've been trying to mess with the menu and stuff, doing things, so it lost a couple percentage there. But I was able to plug it in now at the house and it charged up with no issues. So I guess it was just too low. So I guess if you have one of these and you're going through the same thing where you just put the battery in and it's really low, or you have one that you recovered and it's sitting really low, try to stick it in a DC fast charger, see if that kind of wakes it up, and then stick it on your AC charger. But we're charged up and good to go. All right, guys, so that's it. I mean, I had to kick out my GSX-R 600 here to get this one into the shop. So I guess, like I said, if you have one of these and it's really low and you're not getting any lights, try a fast DC charger. I don't know. You Energica guys are going to know more about that than me. This is a learning curve for me. I wish I just had a bad carburetor. I can clean it. But this has been it's been a challenge to work on this because it's very easy to work on, but I don't have the electrical knowledge of these electric motorcycles, and it's a steep learning curve that I'm picking up. I'm truly enjoying it, though. Believe me, it's stressful at times and super fun at others. So this bike now is charging. It's up. I got to put a couple things on it to make it safe to take on the road. It doesn't have a rear brake lever now. It's broken off. So when those parts get here, I'll take it for its first ride. Okay, I might have rode up the block a little bit. Just the front brakes. But hey, look, I had it in low power and it was fine. And it was fun, and I can't wait to get the full power and get it all back together again. I do think about safety. So I'm going to wait till I get everything good and ready to go before I take it on a full blast. Okay, guys, so that's all there is to it. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notification. I got a lot of videos coming up in this bike. You're going to love it. Stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one. Tepcocyclerepair.